Alright, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fernando. I make videos about anything technical, repairs, anything DIY. Maybe I can help you guys, maybe I can help someone, whatever. If you enjoy this type of content, hit the like, subscribe button. It's free, subscription is absolutely free. It just means that you'll get notifications when I upload new videos. So, this is still off. I bought a whole set of, oh, there you go. This is still off. Bought a whole set of soldering irons for this hot airflow station. That's got a soldering iron and the hot air. There's the original tip. And what happened is, the guy, I've never done this before, I've never tinned tips. And he says, no, just turn up the heat and put salt in it. That turned out to be one big mess. It damaged the tip. We're going to see, it gets damaged already, so now we're going to see. So I've more or less filed it. That's just the one side. I'm trying to see, let me get my extra eyes. Let me get my extra eyes so I can see properly. I can have a better look at all this, see what's all going on properly over here. Right, there you go, let's see. It looks okay. I can give this side a little bit of more of a touch. I know some people will cringe at this and we're either going to mess it up or it's going to work out nicely. Let me see. There is some solder over there because the tip got damaged. I've done some YouTubing on this, and there's some guys who use plumbers flux to do all this, and then you scrub it clean with steel wool, and you get all that done. So in any case, so this is looking okay at the angle, and now we're going to turn it on and turn up the temperature. So what I've got, the difference today is this. Let me put all this thing on over here. Right, that temperature is busy climbing already. Right, what I've got is I bought made in China tip refresher.
It's still off.
Where?
Oh, no.
No, it's on. No, that's man. Let's turn up the temperature. I'm going, yeah, they say you must go to maximum. I'm going to go to, I'm on 470. I don't know if it's right or wrong, so don't take me as being an expert. So apparently, on that temperature, you dip this. This is a tip refresher. There you go, tip refresher. Let's open this up over here. So when it's hot, you're supposed to just dip it in here and that will be it, supposedly. So we're going to try that out, see how that looks. So at the angle, or doesn't really matter. And there we go. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That changes everything, huh? So in any case, so that worked. That worked. So now we're gonna put it off, let it cool down, and then we'll do some soldering on the scrap board or the back of a scrap board. See, that looks nice. So that's that. It did what I couldn't do. It looks very, very nice. So the guys are talking about plumber's flux. So I left a little mark in there, but I mean this was cheap enough. This is the equivalent of about $3.50, about 60 rand. I think I paid for that. Yeah, where I am in South Africa. So there you go. There's that tip over there. This is the back of the board. That's the board where I've been practicing the ICs. That's the back of the board. We're just gonna see how that works. Geez, didn't even have to put solder. Wow. Huh? This that's quite amazing, huh?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, remember we sit over here and we couldn't get the thing done then. So that just worked. Let's find the spot.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. Did you know about this stuff or not?
No.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm damaging tracks there because the thing is very hot. Let's take it. I mean, this is the board. Can't even say it's crap. Let's go 324. 315, eh?
Yep.
The thing is too hot. Okay, let's cool down a little bit. And then we'll try messing around here with some tracks and things like that. Let's put it here so you guys can see. Yeah, that looks beautiful, huh? That's working beautiful. Let's do this so you guys can see. Sheesh. That looks beautiful. I just don't have water on that. That's okay.
I'm not aware.
It's okay, by the time you get back, but it tinned it. That's like quite amazing. So I might take a very fine file and smoothen the whole thing out, some very fine sandpaper, very fine, and then sort of fix it up. So that fixed it up. That's quite amazing. That's really, really quite amazing. I'm quite impressed. I feel like touching it, but I won't touch it. It burns. You see the residue of the other one that was a mess is here, but this came out very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so that's how to tin a soldering iron. There we go. I've got a whole bunch of other tips to do over here, and we're all going to be doing them.